Hello viewers, let's come to Upper Business Maths class. Let us look at the following questions under indices based on senior secondary school maths syllabus. According to the question, it says if 2 raised to the power x is equal to 50, find the values of a 2 raised to the power x minus 1, b 2 raised to the power x minus 2, and c 2 raised to the power 2x plus 1. Here, according to the question, it says, wherever we see 2 raised to the power x, you should replace it with 50. In this case, if the question says you should find 2 raised to the power x minus 1, then our solution will be like that. A 2 raised to the power x is equal to 50. Then 2 raised to the power x minus 1 will be what? Here, what we have to think about is 2 raised to the power x is equal to 50. And we have 2 raised to the power x minus 1 here. So we need to try to manipulate 2 raised to the power x minus 1 in order to get this one. 2 raised to the power x. So we need to expand this one in a form of 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 1 according to the law of indices, or 2 raised to the power x divided by 2 raised to the power 1. Here, according to the law of indices, it says that whenever we have equal base and there's a multiplication sign in between them, we need to add the exponential terms. So in this case, if we have 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 1, we can see it as 2 raised to the power x plus minus 1. But here, whenever positive sign and minus sign meet, we ignore the positive sign and make it minus. So here we can see it as 2 raised to the power x minus 1, which is equal to this one. Also, when you look at 2 raised to the power x divided by 2 raised to the power 1, according to the law of indices, it says whenever we have equal base, like 2 here and 2 here, then, and we have division sign in between them, then we need to subtract the exponential terms. So here we have 2 raised to the power x minus 1, which is 2 raised to the power x minus 1, which is the same as 2 raised to the power x minus 1. So whichever way you think is convenient to you, you take it and apply it according to the law of indices. So here we quickly come here to do our substitution. Remember, the question says 2 raised to the power x is equal to 50. So we clearly see 2 raised to the power x here through our manipulation. So here we replace it with 50. And then we multiply it by 2 raised to the power minus 1. This implies that 50 multiplied by 1 over 2 raised to the power positive 1 according to the law of indices. So here we can say 50 multiplied by 1 over 2. And here we decide either to multiply 50 by 1 or we use 2 to cancel the 50. So here 2 cancel here 1 and cancel 50, 25. So in the end we have 25 as our answer. Therefore, 2 raised to the power x minus 1 will be seen as 25. Let us look at the B. The question says if 2 raised to the power x is equal to 50. Then we should find the value of 2 raised to the power x minus 2. So here, this 2 raised to the power x minus 2 can be expanded as 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 2. So here, according to the question, wherever we see 2 raised to the power x, we should put 50. So here we have 2 raised to the power x here. So we replace it with 50 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 2. So this will then give us 50 multiplied by 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 according to the law of indices. So here we have 50 multiplied by 1 over 4. And in the end, 2 will cancel here, 2 will cancel 50, 25. So our answer will be 25 over 2 or 12 whole number 1 over 2. Let us look at our third question, which is C. The question says, if 2 raised to the power x is equal to 50, then we should find 2 raised to the power 2x plus 1. So here, 2 raised to the power 2x plus 1 can be expanded in the form 2 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1. But remember, according to the question, it says 2 raised to the power x will give us 50. But here we have 2 raised to the power 2x. So in this case, we need to manipulate this. 2 raised to the power 2x. 2 raised to the power 2x can also be written as 2 raised to the power x all raised to the power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1. So here we clearly see 2 raised to the power x here. And wherever we see 2 raised to the power x, we replace it with 50. So here we have 50 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1, which is 2. So here we can see 50 raised to the power 2 as 2,500, and then you multiply by 2. So our final answer will be 5,000. That's our final answer. Try this question and put your answer in the comment section below. If 3 raised to the power a is equal to 81, find the values of a, 3 raised to the power a plus 2, and b, 3 raised to the power minus 2a plus 1. This is the end of today's question. So remember to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.